Well, hello there. Thank you for visiting this video. This video, you'll find out how to crochet a blanket to row repeat. It's easy, it's for beginners, it's great, it's warm. You've landed on Carrie's Crochet Corner. Thank you for visiting. I want to get started and show you how to make this cool 2-row repeat. Don't forget to like and subscribe. To do this pattern for this blanket, you need a multiple of 3, 3, plus 1. I'm going to chain 19, 18 to multiple of 3, and I'm going to add 1. Once you have your multiple of 3 plus 1, single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Single crochet in the next one. Chain 2. Skip 2, single crochet in the next. Repeat. Chain 2, skip 2, single crochet. Okay, once you finish that pattern, you'll be left with 1, right? Single crochet in that last stitch. Basically, you have 2 single crochets at the end, 2 single crochets in the beginning. Chain 3 and turn your work. We're going to do 3 double crochets in each of these chain 2 spaces. So to do a double crochet, yarn over, go into the space, grab the yarn over, go through 2 stitches, 2 loops, yarn over, go through the last 2 loops. Okay, after you get to your last chain 2 space, you're going to skip that single crochet here and double crochet in your last stitch. Okay, I'm going to chain 1, turn my work. Now, single crochet in this loop here, and then you're going to single crochet in the space or that opening before your 3 double crochets. And then you're going to chain 2. Single crochet in between the double crochets. Chain 2. Single crochet in between. Chain 2. Single crochet. Chain 2. Now we're going to single crochet in this last space here, and then single crochet at the top of the turning chain. There. Now you would do another double crochet. So let's see, chain 3. This is our double crochet repeat row, right? So I've got 3 chains here. That would be count as a double crochet. And then you just do your 3 double crochets again in between, right? You do them all in those 2 chain spaces. Now, when you get to the end, I'm just going to double crochet here at that last stitch. And then I keep repeating these rows over and over again, right? So there you have it, a repeating blanket stitch. Check out the picture of my blanket I made last year with all sorts of yarn. Great winter project. Stay cozy and warm.